My name is Stéphane Le PELLETIer. I'm the Asia Pacific Director of Opera Gallery.
Hi, my name is Vanezza. I'm from Bachelor of Graphic Design in Raffles Design Institute, and I'm the designer for Opera's Gallery 30th Anniversary logo.
Opera Gallery was established 30 years ago in 1994 when our first two exhibition spaces opened simultaneously in Paris and Singapore. We show a range of works from international emerging artists alongside masters of contemporary and modern art. Over the years, we have expanded to now include 16 locations around the world in major cities and countries. Since our inception, we have been working with not only private collectors but also museums, foundations, and organizations. Each year, we curate several exhibitions in each of our locations and exhibit in high-profile art fairs around the world. Thank you. Throughout the past 30 years in Singapore and in the business, I have learned that there isn't a single memory or interaction which is not special. Each event to us is unique and unforgettable, even the ones in our early days, and we are thankful to each and every one of our clients, collaborators and teams for making magic happen each time. If I had to name one example, it would be the 2013 opening of Lita Cabello's Dry Tear exhibition, held in collaboration with Raffles College of Higher Education, led by Joe Spinelli, who staged a fashion show of designs inspired by Lita Cabello's artwork. It is always a delight to see art and fashion coincide in such a beautiful and creative way. All of us were blown away by the dedication and endless creativity that Raffles College injected into the whole project. We were shown how the students of Raffles College really excelled in their craft, in the way that they translated their thought processes into unique, idea-driven design. Vanezza's logo stood out to us amongst the rest, not just in terms of the elegance of the design itself, but also the idea behind it.
So the inspiration behind the logo is from the branches of tree, like how they grow and intertwine as they expand. I use that concept to symbolize Opera's Gallery journey over the past 30 years, and also their connection with the art world, the artists, collectors, and the overall community.
Which also highlight the unity shared between the gallery and all the people who have brought us where we are 30 years later. The collectors, the artists, visitors, collaborators, the list goes on. We felt that the meaning behind the details aligned best with what the galleries value. The idea of growth was well portrayed in the intertwining curves.
So I integrate that concept into the logo by connecting number 3 and 0 in a similar curve like to also maintain the minimal and simple look of Opera Gallery.
When thinking about something seemingly simple like 30 years year anniversary, there is actually so much more to it. All 3 decades of history packed into a logo, serving as a reminder that it is not an unfinished story. The journey onwards continues. There will be more in store for us, and we are all excited for what's to come.
I feel very happy and honored to be chosen for Opera Gallery's 30th anniversary, especially because it is a worldwide brand and my logo will be used for real-life event. And I'm very thankful for Raffles Design for the opportunity. I wish that Opera Gallery will continue to grow and expand across the different countries in the world and continue their vision of connecting people and cultures through their art.
Collaborations to me are a great way to not only offer an additional fresh angle on things, but also offers a chance for young, emerging creatives to expand the parameters of their crafts and things outside the box. As we saw from this collaboration, students from Raffles College of Higher Education are more than capable of reaching great heights.